glad to come to Trivandrum to be part of the inauguration of the Gastro Center at the SP Medifort Hospital. I thank the management for giving me this opportunity. I have gone through the entire hospital facility on a tour and also participated in the CME program on gastroenterology as part of the inaugural program. I have found this hospital state-of-the-art facility built to the ultra-modern requirement of an advanced hospital. This is already accredited by JCI, so you can be sure about the quality of the services and safety, etc. And regarding gastroenterology, I know the people who are going to run the gastroenterology department. One of them is from my own present department, my colleague. I know their capabilities. They will be able to organize one of the best centers of gastroenterology with all its divisions, including interventional endoscopy, interventional radiology. And this facility is a much needed, unmet need of the capital city of Kerala, management of SP Medifort Hospital. So I wish them all the very best in the Department of Gastroenterology as well as the entire hospital.
SP Medifort, you first, always.